Can you pass the Network Plus in 2 weeks? The answer is yes, but only if you stop studying like most people do. This video is not motivation fluff. It's the exact strategy I'd use again if I had to retake the Network Plus from scratch, with a full-time job, real responsibilities, and limited energy. No cramming, no 8-hour study marathons, no pretending this exam is harder than it actually is. Let's break it down. Before we talk study tactics, let's talk why. The Network Plus sits in a really interesting spot. It's not a beginner-level exam, it's not security-heavy like the Security Plus, it's a foundation everything else depends on. Cloud, security, DevOps, even AI infrastructure. If you don't understand networking, you're guessing, not engineering. That's why I treated the Network Plus as a systems exam, not a memorization test. Let me be clear before someone rage comments. This approach works best if you already understand basic IT concepts, you have touched the AI Plus topics or equivalent experience, and you can stay focused for short, intense sessions. If you're brand new to tech, stretch this to 4-6 weeks. The same system, but slower pace. Here's the part most people mess up. They study everything equally. That's a mistake. Week 1. Compression, not perfection. Your only goal in week 1 is exposure. Not mastery, not notes, not flashcards. Just watch a full Network Plus course, increase the playback speed if you can. Don't pause every 30 seconds. Think of it like loading a map into your brain. You're building familiarity, not confidence. If a concept sounds confusing, good. That means it's working. Week 2. Pressure and feedback. This is where the exam is actually won. Practice tests are not for checking readiness. They are a diagnostic tool. Here's how to use them correctly. 1. Take the test cold. 2. Review every single question. 3. Study explanations, not scores. And 4. Research weak areas immediately. Your score doesn't matter until the last attempt. What matters is pattern recognition. Why am I missing this? Is it vocabulary? Is it scenario-based? Is it misunderstanding the question? The biggest study mistake. Most people waste time trying to feel ready. You will never feel ready. The Network Plus tests interpretation, trade-offs, real-world judgment, not trivia. If you wait for confidence, you will delay the exam forever. Schedule the exam before you feel ready. Deadlines sharpen focus. The exam day strategy. This matters more than people think. Performance-based questions. Skip them at first. They are time sinks and stress multipliers. Do all multiple choice questions first. Flag anything you're unsure about and build momentum. Then return to the performance-based questions with context, confidence, and remaining time. The question strategy. If 2 answers seem right, eliminate what fixes symptoms. Choose what fixes the root cause. CompTIA loves best practice, least disruptive change, and long-term stability. Here's the truth. Most people who fail the Network Plus didn't fail on knowledge. They failed on stress management. You are allowed to flag questions, skip questions, and change answers. Use the full time. Passing is not about speed, it's about control. And here is how I prepared. I started with this course from Udemy, the CompTIA Network Plus, full course and practice exams from Dion, that it's 32.5 hours long. And after completing this course, I also did practice exams. For example, this course that includes 6 practice exams. And so you have this exam set as well with 6 new practice exams, or this one where you have 9 simulations, or this one where you have 200 practice exams questions, or this one where you have 4 practice exams questions. And to end your preparation, I would also watch this YouTube video from Professor Messer where he explains what is the exam about, and also he answers similar questions to the exam. And here you can see that you have 90 minutes for this exam. There's a maximum of 90 questions, and you need a score of 720 to pass. There are multiple choice questions, but also performance-based questions. They are a minority. And here you can see how he answers the questions, and he really explains why that answer is correct. You have here different examples. It's really good to know the reasoning behind correct answers. And I think that with these resources, it would be more than enough to pass on your first try. Final advice. If you're considering the Network Plus, remember this. You don't need to be brilliant. You need to be systematic. Short timeline, clear strategy, focused execution. If you want, I can break down the exact topics to prioritize, the performance-based questions walkthroughs, or how the Network Plus actually helps your career long-term. Drop a comment and let me know. You've got this? And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.